Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma is one of the most loved and successful television serials on the small screen and is doing extremely well for more than a decade. The stars of the show have become the household name in no time and enjoys a massive fan following everywhere. Controversies always surround the serial but fade away in no time. Recently, there were rumors doing the rounds that Raj aka Tappu and Dilip Joshi aka Jethalal are not getting along with each other well on the sets of the show. Reports suggest that Raj used to come late on set and that's when Dilip lost his cool and reprimanded him for his behavior. A source close to the show said to an entertainment portal that Dilip Joshi is the senior most actor on sets. Despite working on Tarak Mehta for so many years, he makes sure to be on time on his work. There's never a delay or effect on the shoot because of him, but Raj recently kept him waiting for an hour or so, and that's when things went wrong between the two. Finally, Raj exclusively said to our Telechakkar that he doesn't react to these baseless rumors or cooked stories. He further said that he rather would concentrate on his work and put his effort into it so that the viewers get the best experience. In the end, the actor said that people will talk baseless things, but he will continue to smile and rise above. Dilip Joshi also reacted to this news and told an entertainment portal that these are the baseless rumors and he doesn't know who is cooking up such stories. Well, it is good to know that all is well between Jethalal and his son Tappu, and there seems no differences. So, who is your favorite character from the show and what do you think about this entire fiasco? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.